And now Shannon can be less awkward.
Don't do that.
Not really. Oh god.
What's up, you guys? It's Winnie here, and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I am going to be vlogging me getting ready for camp. On Saturday, today's Tuesday. Nope, it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
On Wednesday, yeah, no.
Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday. Then on Saturday, I am leaving to go to camp for 5 weeks, and I'm going to be on work crew, which is basically where I scrub the dishes and clean the kitchen for 5 weeks. Anyway, so I'm just going to be getting ready for camp all this week, and I thought I would vlog it. By the way, this is Shannon and Reagan.
Hi.
We're twins. Right now we're at Target, and we're going to go pick up some stuff I need for camp. Okay, so far we have drawers.
And shampoo.
Yeah.
And conditioner.
Okay, so
Drawers.
No.
stationery.
There's like strings in here.
No.
String.
It's rolling stuff. You can make it roll.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it rolling. Okay, so I guess now we should probably go back over to toiletries.
Is that all you need from over here?
Well, I also need stationery.
Oh,
And I wanted to find a
What's
bucket hat.
stationery. That's over here.
Okay, and then I also wanted to find a bucket hat. So let's go look for that. All right, come on, bomb nose. All right, come on.
It's writing cards.
It's like writing cards. Do you want me to write you cards or not? Okay, update. We got quite a bit of stuff, mainly just like food and toiletries and stuff. And we're right now getting snacks.
Ew, nice. Why is this small?
We've been in the store for too long. It's making me want to not be here. Okay, so right now we are on the mission to find a bucket hat. Right now this is the maternity section. I'm just gonna go, I know. Duh. Hold on, we're finding bucket hats. Bucket hats, bucket hats, bucket hats, bucket hats, bucket hats. Shannon's getting lost. Help, guys, help. I'm not finding anything. Okay, so we're done with Target. All right. Okay, so we are back from our Target adventure. We were there for a really long time. Thought I would just go through everything I got, because why not? But as you guys saw, or I think you saw, I got like the set of like clear plastic drawers. And as Reagan brought up, I think I might paint them. Like paint my name on it. That'd just be kind of fun. Anyway, so I got body lotion, thing of Eucerin. Okay, so I got a thing of body lotion with sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. Shampoo, I just bought Pantene because I'll be at camp. Sunscreen. Whoops. These are the best things ever when traveling. They're toothbrush covers. So they like, your toothbrush doesn't get all icky.
Oh wait, that's cool.
I know, especially at camp.
Yeah.
Makeup remover wipes, toothpaste. My AM face lotion. This has sunscreen in it.
Do you want to hold stuff?
It's okay right now. Shaving cream. And then the last, oh wait, nope, I have more things. This little baby thing of Tide detergent, like that's so cute. I can wash my clothes once a week, which is nice. I have off days once a week, so yeah. But on those off days, I wash my clothes, and so I have a little thing of, oh frick. Anyway, all right, Shannon, Aquaphor, the best thing ever. And then
face lotion.
yeah, and that's one that I use at night. It's a little bit gentler. It's more gentle. Next bag. This is shampoo. The other one I showed you was conditioner. Then body wash. I always just get the purple one no matter what the scent is. And then stationery. This is like a 50 pack. There is no way I'm going to be writing 50 letters, but I figured why not?
I mean, y'all can write her.
Yes, you should all write me. So now food. This is my favorite part. Okay. So, also I should mention, at my camp, we are allowed to have food in the cabin, which can kind of be dangerous at times, but yeah. Anyway, I decided to get healthy snacks. Okay, so I got a thing of chocolate sea salt RX bars, because they're my life. Then apple cinnamon go-go squeezes, these are the bomb. And then I actually got another box of those, because there's only 4 in a box. Then I got coconut cream pie Lara bars.
I've never tried these. Are they good?
They're so good. And then this is the dark chocolate almond and coconut kind bar, which is actually
Those
I've
are
never
good.
had those.
They're
Reagan said
good.
they were good.
They
They're
are
good.
good.
You should try them.
They have them at school.
Yeah, they do.
Oh wait, maybe not the
No, they
coconut.
do.
Oh. Then I got these, which is, they're also kind bars, but literally the only thing in them is like dried like strawberries and apple and cherry and chia seeds. They're like those like fruit rope things, but they're so good.
They look good.
And they're kind of light, they're like a nice light bite. And then I got this bag
Light.
of like, I got this bag of like individually packaged Monster Mixes. Monster Mix is the best thing ever, and they only sell it at
Target?
They only sell it at Target, yeah. It's so good. It has little peanut butter chips in it, and so it's just amazing. Thank you. And so I got little individual packets, so hopefully I don't eat the entire bag in like one day. So it is now Thursday, and I have just been working on painting my plastic drawers. So this is kind of the look we're going for so far. I think it's cute, but like I could have done a better job, and the color scheme isn't really my colors at all. Like the colors I normally use. I normally do like pinks and reds and purples, and this is just like not it. But I'm hopeful that it will still look cute. I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to let this dry for a little while, and I'm gonna go upstairs and start packing. Yikes. Okay, so here is the game plan. So as I said, today's Thursday and I leave on Saturday. So what I would like to do is pretty well get everything like laid out and like packed and stuff today. That way tomorrow I don't have to. And if I need to like wash anything or whatever, I can figure all that out by tomorrow. So in terms of what I'm packing in, I'm gonna bring 3 different like pieces of luggage. So I have my trunk here, which will have like the majority of my clothes and toiletries and stuff. So then I have my plastic drawers, which you guys saw, which I'm currently painting. But I think I'm gonna put like underwear, socks in there, and then maybe like have one of the drawers reserved for like my journal and just like things that I want to have easily accessible. And then I also have another duffel bag that I put all my like towels and bedding and all of that in. So I have a lot, but I think the drawers are gonna be so helpful because in past years at camp, I mean, I've only gone for 2 weeks, so there's no need to bring drawers, but it can be kind of a bit of a pain when like I need to just run into the cabin and grab a pair of socks. I have to like dig through my entire trunk. And not only is that the biggest pain ever, but it totally wrecks my trunk and is just so annoying. So I think having the drawers will be super helpful. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting like the basics out. I'm going to just figure out what t-shirts I'm gonna bring. That's always the biggest struggle. So thankfully I will be there for a long time, so I have an excuse to bring a lot of t-shirts, but let's get them out. Bruh, this is so many t-shirts. I decided I'm just gonna like totally refold all of them. I have so many t-shirts. Wow. You guys, my cat has literally been just sitting in my closet on top of my clothes like all morning. Like literally all morning. Hi, kitty. Sometimes my cat's really nice to me, and then sometimes he's just so mean. Right now, he seems to be pretty chill, which is nice.
Hello.
So,
I'm Gus.
this is Gus, everyone. It'll make more sense in just a sec, I promise. So, it is right now like 8:30 p.m. on Friday. I'm leaving tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. to go to camp. Holy shoot, that's in 12 hours. Okay, so I'm really excited for camp. Like, I love camp so much, and I think spending 5 weeks there is going to be freaking whack, but 5 weeks is 5 weeks, and that's kind of a long time. But anyway, I'm really excited. I would say I'm pretty well finished packing. I definitely feel like I'm forgetting a lot of things, but I just can't think of them. So right now we're done packing for the time being. I thought I'd just show you guys everything I'm bringing, how I packed it, all of that. Okay, let's get started. So first off, I have my box fan here. Supposedly my cabin, since I'm on work crew, is air conditioned. However, having a fan of sorts is really helpful, apparently. Then I have my egg crate here. I just ordered this off of Amazon. I really hope this fits my bed, but I don't want to take it out of the wrapping yet just because it's so like nice and compact. But yes, this will make my bed so much more cozy. Okay, next up I have my duffel bag. This is just full of all of my bedding and towels and laundry hamper and cords and all of that. So then I have my backpack. This is my Patagonia backpack, and I just have like my Bible, my journal, my watercolors, watercolor paper, paint brushes, pens, yarn, I don't know, for like bracelets and stuff. Oh, I also am bringing, so my mom found these hammocks on Amazon, which are like knockoffs. If you guys have an you know that they can be really expensive. And so this is a brand called Wise Owl. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, but the straps and the hammock and everything are only $25. That's so good. So hopefully like this doesn't like totally just like break and send me plummeting to the earth, because I think it could be really cool. Okay, so also I'm bringing some decor for my bed area living space. So I'm just bringing some firefly lights, and these are like battery operated, so yeah. And then I'm just bringing a ton of pictures that I just printed off, like just some random pictures of my friends and family, and then some pictures from camp last year that I'm gonna tape on there. Then I'm also bringing books. So I actually just went by the library and got myself some books. Then I have some toiletries. So I have like my shower caddy, which just has like shampoo, lotion, toothbrush, all that. A lot of the stuff that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. And then this has just like random hair products and stuff, and like vitamins, and then like hair ties. And then this one has makeup. I don't wear makeup at camp normally, but we do have like twice a session. We have pictures and rodeo, so I get a little dressed up for that. I have my egg crate, which I definitely already showed you that. Okay, so then I have my drawers, which I am so excited about. There's 3 drawers. I got this thing from Target. I also painted it, as you can see. Put my name on it, some colors, some sparkles. I think it'll be kind of fun. Oh, there is a Grace leg. You look like a cockroach. Whoa! So, speaking of Grace, she helped me cram 30 t-shirts into this drawer earlier today. I was like, there's no way all my t-shirts are gonna fit in there. And she's like, yes, they are. So we fit them all in there. Then this drawer has like underwear, socks, bra, and pajamas. And then this drawer down here just has all the food that I got at Target, along with some other random things like detergent and Aquaphor and nail polish. Then, moving on to the big thing, I have my trunk here. This is just full of shoes, pajamas, the single sweatshirt that I'm bringing that I will probably not wear once, and just like the nicer clothes. Also, I'm bringing a few hats. Also in my trunk, I am bringing a clip-on fan, so I will have a box fan and a clip-on fan right by my face, which I think will be really awesome. And I'm also bringing cards.
You got mail from Harvard?
Yeah! They asked me to come to their school. Actually, they asked me to consider applying. I know, my mom was like, Winnie, this is kind of cool. Yeah, I know. What can I say? I am like overwhelmed with purple right now. Like, it's kind of bad. Like, look at this. Like, all of my luggage is purple. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hi guys. Grace has just like been slowly dressing herself up. There's Macy. Hello. Anyway, I am headed, Macy and I are actually headed off to camp tomorrow, or I'm headed off tomorrow. Macy's headed off Sunday. But I'm leaving for camp tomorrow. Don't worry, there will be tons of videos coming out. Actually, not tons, but there will be a video coming out each Sunday, even though I will be at camp. And there will be blog posts as well, and yeah. So anyway, I will be gone for 5 weeks, but I am hopeful that it will be a super awesome, amazing 5 weeks, and I'm really excited, and I think it'll be really awesome. And make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below telling me what you want to see in the future, and yeah.